Here we go.
I think I'm pregnant.
Run, boy, run! John, oh man, shock.
You sure?
Yes.
Real youth. Take the news the right way and chill with it. Yeah. Chill now. If you move.
Babes, it's gonna be alright.
Deaf? You're a general youth. You're a general youth. You're a general. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, hey, boom, boom. What's good, YouTube? It's what Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, quarantine boss. Me don't like that man, so I don't get it. Osh. Now we have Vybz Kartel, life giver. Life giver. Life giver. Look how sick though. It's sick, you know? Nah, like sick, it's sick. We have Vybz Kartel, life giver. Official mini movie. Mini. Anyways, we see what got name again? Roll is so easy, you don't know the chop, you know, the girl them sugar stick as usual, you know. And the roll is so easy in the cover work, so like I am the father and thing, you don't know the chop yet. But as usual, people comment on this video to see your comment over here, so you know the next video we will post, and we'll post daily 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the one day. So you might want to do it from right now, you understand? So because we are going for the video, subscribe to the channel if it's the first time here for the most lit music with the reactions in the right place. Tyrekevlogs channel, yo. I don't know if you're not subscribed, something really wrong with the one. There was a 10,000 subscribers, so hurry up and subscribe right now. I'm gonna reach 10k before the year done. Run tune. Yeah. Atomic Records, big up yourself. Warrior Films, Jamaican, big up yourself. Don't know chap. Vybz Kartel, big up yourself as usual. And they're gambling us. Yeah, hold on. If I one thing I can really big up really for him bad actor that. More numerous things that the man good at, but so when it come to acting, the man good at man good at acting, brother. Man, nah, look at the man facial expression and everything on the man do. Not even when I could vlog them and everything when I'm do dog. All I will could play them when I'm doing that to yo. Big up yourself roll so easy. Life giver. Lose dog. John dog. So it go my son. So it go my son. Don't fret. Things gonna be better. I'll go on your son. Hey baby mother that. No, I'm not worry. We tell him about that. See anything about the acting in the dog. We tell him in the dog. We tell him that. Run through. Yo. Charles. What's the name that?
How you doing now?
Alright, yo. Still have it in here.
Still have it. I don't want to be that clean.
Yo, I forget your number.
Of course.
Created a life together.
Deaf?
No
Deaf?
matter what happens to us.
Get this move? Hey, roll it. Your man are gonna beat the blood clean. How are you just to take a woman next woman number? Tisha gonna be right June.
Together.
So sassy. What's your name?
From school.
Trish Sassy.
Man, no, I know you.
She don't want you. You gamble too much. You're gruff.
Kind of friend that
I
dog.
know that too.
Man, you watch man too much.
Yeah.
You don't want no gruff, brother.
True matter though. Woman don't want a gruff dog. So if the man don't want the dog, yeah, you want a clean, good skin woman. You see me I say I want woman with money. At least if you want she man, at least care yourself a little better dog. Don't act like you're a gruff dog. Don't just take her money and go burn build. Look after yourself. Clean up yourself with the money she give you. You see me? Run through.
I guess I'm the other day. Oh, girl. Charles. What?
She have that mouth there, though. Her mouth, yeah, she have that mouth there. Yeah, virgin. What? Wait. Really?
I got emotional.
Romantic date and thing. Looking at girl, you ball and thing. Why?
You look at me.
Unite.
And you
Yes.
look so nice.
Yes.
That I
Yes, really. Unite. Wow. Unite. Rachel.
Tears of joy. We're gonna have a girl or a boy.
Boy.
So come here, my baby.
Be born already.
Me a come.
Oh, Rasta baby, come here, so what?
Eat the mango then, so.
She breed.
I'm just for beer mango. You
She
feel for beer
breed.
mango? And you know. But nobody go right there, son. Don't go right there, son. This actually feel nice.
That movie actually nice. That movie actually nice, people. Like, I never really expect it, you know? And then I'm really actually man. You're like a big man. Actually like a big... Like, yo, yeah, we don't know we are general and thing, but he move like... We play the role. Him fit the role. Me not lie.
On the beach with you.
Watch him too. Watch him too, I'm not glad.
For the rest of my life, yeah.
You mean that?
She thinks she's pregnant.
Of course.
John, what? Money bomb, Run, we do say no drink red stripe beer. Me never see a drink a red stripe beer on video yet, or on Instagram, or no, I mean, if you talk about it. I'll be a water drink running. What you do with red stripe beer? And the character they give for play. Ah, run tune.
Babe,
Here we go.
I think I'm pregnant.
Run, boy, run! John, woman, shock.
You sure?
Yes.
Real youth. Take the news the right way and chill with it. Yeah. Chill now. If you move.
Babes, it's gonna be alright.
Deaf? You're a general youth. You're a general role. You're a general. Let them fear you. Watch him.
I got emotional. We thank
No more
God
gambling
for
us.
giving us a beautiful present. You looked at me.
You're a general role. Sure,
the
they use some
sun-
order for deal with the thing that when the woman says she's pregnant, don't run left her. Take care of her. Dead if you are. That's why she need her more. Not when you fling hood and that bumbuckle belt. She want you know when she breathe. Dead if you are role. I like it move. I like it. I like it. Run through. Yeah. Deaf him kick. Dead the fear youth. Dead the fear youth. Boy. Must I do one thing? Deaf. 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 This is actually Roy's character. Check it out. This character right that's one of the writers. I saw Roy stay and vlog them, you know. You see me? This is actually Roy so his character, you know, for real, you know. I say I'm actually tan. Run through. Boy, time. Water boss. She man face. Vybz acting, them get from the role, them can't put the youth. Vybz acting. Hold on, youth. Yeah. Watch him football on our belly. She put the football on our shirt. Watch him football people.
Relax.
Yeah, relax, baby. When I drive fast. Hold on, they have to put Yeah. Push! Push! You can't act your fart, you know. Me can't do it. Yeah, I'm going to play some music with a tone. When the fall back to Jamaica, I can start going to music with it. But yeah, I want to screenshots and tag rolling on Instagram. I say, Rolly start the reactions tomorrow. Rolly react to my reaction. Yes, the reaction boss reaction. You understand me, Rolly? Rolly, your razor. No, you watch the video. Send it to you, Rolly. Ah, yeah. Send it to you. Yeah, me born. Life giver.
And that's how you came into the world.
What?
And now your mom is in heaven.
Oh, no.
Looking down on us.
Oh, no. We passed away? Oh, gosh. Living with a youth, dog. Take care of the youth still. Find love again. This advice, that. Big up Warrior Flames, big up Jamaican.
Need to come and
What
to
was
see
never
the
done.
Most High. They need.
We're going for the
They
betting shop.
need to seek the Most
The
High.
shop closing now, brother. You know see what I
They
got?
need to seek the Most High.
A long time that close to you know.
That now open back, you know. Nobody look for nobody that open back, you know.
Lock.
The, hold on there. You know, see the Most High lock down the whole world.
Someone have
Kiss
to
the
say.
teeth. You kiss the teeth.
John All Star.
Not tell you.
I wonder what I deal with it. I'm going.
Come get the better.
So them fill out the betting shop, man.
Oh, so you don't expect the Most High to do him thing?
Yeah. Joke thing, you be done, man. You see the shell as usual. Here's me, man. People, thank you for checking out my video. You understand me? Check out the video the next from me. It's chronic reaction there, you understand? Yeah, man, I like some video them, man, and thing. Anyways, road to 10K is real. Thank you for checking out my little reactions or whatever. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Link to the original video down below in the description. Me, if you start there more often, I give credit. You understand me? It's been a boy, Ty. I'm out.